everyone, this is Devanshi Jaswal and you're watching Address of Choice channel. We are a real estate company and on this channel you will find overview of projects so that you can hunt your dream home virtually. We are in Kharadi today and in this video I'm going to be talking about a project by none other than Mahindra Group and the name of the project is Crown. Let me talk about the developers first and then I'll explain you the complete project. Now, if I talk about Mahindra Life Spaces developer, then they have been in the market for a long period of time. The company was started in 1994 and till now they have delivered so many projects in different cities of India. They provide thoughtfully designed living spaces and their mission is sustainable urbanization, which is amazing because that's what we need in today's world. Mahindra Crown is in pre-launch state. It is situated in Kharadi location and it is considered number 1 in this location. Why? Because of the carpet area and its prices. On your screen, you have the 2 BHK comparison sheet where you can see the nearby developers, what they are providing to you and what exactly Mahindra is providing to you. Now, this is the comparison sheet of 3 BHK. Now, if I talk about the location, Kharadi is going to be IT hub. There are so many IT companies that have already came here and if I talk about the connectivity then, Gera Commerce Zone within 10 minutes, proposed Eon Metro Station will be in 13 minutes, Global High Street, Wellington College will be in 2 minutes and Shri Hospital will be in 13 minutes. The land parcel of this project is 5.4 acres inside which we are going to have 5 towers, out of which in phase 1, there are 3 towers that will be launched, that is A, B and E. The rest of the 2 towers are for future development. If I talk about the total number of units, that will be around 508 units. If I talk about the elevation of these towers, then Tower A has 30 floors, Tower B has 32 floors and Tower E has again 30 floors. Now let's talk about the configurations we have over here. So we have 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. In Tower A and B, you will find 2 BHK and 3 BHK and Tower E is specifically dedicated for premium 4 BHK apartments. You have the floor plan of Tower A on your screen right now. On each floor, we have 8 units. Here's the floor plan of Tower B. In this tower, we have 6 units per floor. This is the floor plan of Tower E. We just have 4 units per floor in this tower. In this project, we have 2 levels of amenities. On the ground level, we have adventure zone, kids play area, cricket pitch, garden, outdoor gym, pet park, jogging track, senior citizen zone, camping area and reflexology path. On podium level, we have activity deck, yoga lawn, sitting area, multi-purpose court, toddlers play area, floor painted games, pool deck with cabanas and there are 2 clubhouses in the project, inside which we have swimming pool, kids pool, jacuzzi, steam room, badminton court, squash court, mini theatre, multi-purpose hall, hobby room, yoga room, guest room, indoor games, gymnasium and kids play area. The floor plan of the units over here is very thoughtfully designed. We have so many USPs each apartment. If I talk about a few then, first of all, you will get huge decks attached to the living area from where you can enjoy the serene views of the locality. Second is they have used butterfly design. That means the habitable rooms are on the opposite side of the apartment. That gives you privacy. Third is cross ventilation in all the 3 BHKs and corner 2 BHKs. That will be provided in the common areas. That includes the living space, dining area. Fourth is that all the habitable room open onto the external side of the project that gives you natural lighting and ventilation. And the 5th point is all the apartment has senior citizen friendly washroom. Here's the layout of 2 BHK with a carpet area of 770 square feet. On your screen, you have the layout of 3 BHK with the carpet area of 1114 square feet. Here's the layout of 4 BHK on your screen. The carpet area of this apartment is 1600 square feet. Currently, we don't have a sample apartment over here and neither do we have any model where I can explain you the complete project. So I'm going to explain it through layout. Now, if you are thinking ki why I'm shooting this project this early stage, that is because we care about you. Mahindra do not provide any kind of discounts once the project is launched. But since it's in pre-launch state, we have exciting offers going on. there are two kind of token amount that you can give in this project. One is gold and the second one is platinum. First of all, let me explain you the benefits of these token amount. So the first benefit will be you will be given the priority. Once the project is launched and it's the allotment day, you have the opportunity to choose your own unit. The second benefit will be the discounts that they are providing. So in the gold option, you pay 1 lakh rupees, that will be considered as 2 lakh rupees, and on top of that, there will be a spot discount of 1 to 2 lakh rupees that will be provided. Likewise, in the platinum option, when you pay 3 lakh rupees, that will be considered as 6 lakh rupees and there will additional spot discount. Third benefit is you can withdraw the token amount anytime. So this is an EOI, you are expressing an interest in the project. But once the project is launched and if you don't like it, you can easily withdraw the token amount. That was all about Mahindra Crown. I hope I was able to explain it to you guys well. If you are interested in the project, don't delay. Just contact us on the given number on the screen, or you can contact us through WhatsApp. The link is given in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.